It is.
So Bernice,
Oh, no.
what's your name? No, come here. Come here, Bernice. What's
I'm
your
trying
name?
to get a picture.
What's your name?
What was it again?
Bernice.
No.
Gertrude.
Trisha?
Talk. Tell us about your night. Yeah, with Jake. What did you two do behind that bush?
It's not a bush. You touched me.